In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Etsy gift registry. If you love unique, handmade finds, an Etsy registry makes it easy for friends and family to choose gifts you'll actually enjoy. All you need is an Etsy account and a couple of minutes to get everything set up. Start by heading to Etsy.com. On the homepage, look just below the search bar for the navigation panel and select Registry. This takes you to Etsy's gift registry hub, where everything is organized for events and celebrations. Click Get Started to begin. You'll be asked to choose the occasion. Pick the option that best fits your event, whether it's a wedding, baby celebration, housewarming, or something else. Selecting the right occasion helps Etsy tailor the registry experience and recommendations to your needs. Once you've made your choice, click Next to continue. Now set the date for your event. Use the calendar to select the day you'd like people to aim for with shipping and delivery. Don't worry if plans change, you can update the date later if needed. After choosing the date, click Next again. Enter your name exactly as you want it to appear on the registry. Keeping it clear and easy to recognize helps guests find your list without confusion. If you're prompted to sign in, simply log into your Etsy account so your registry can be saved to the right profile. When you're ready, click Next to move forward. You'll now pick the visibility level for your registry. Public makes it discoverable in Etsy searches. A shareable link lets you keep it semi-private and send it only to specific people, and private keeps it visible only to you. Consider who needs access and what suits your event's privacy needs. After choosing the visibility, click Next. Select the shipping address where you want gifts to be delivered. Confirm that the details are complete and accurate, including any apartment or unit numbers. This ensures sellers have the correct information and helps prevent delivery issues. When everything looks good, click Done. That's it. Your Etsy gift registry is created. You'll land on your registry page where you can review your event information and manage your settings anytime. If plans evolve, you can come back to adjust your occasion details, date, visibility, or shipping address. Keeping your information up to date ensures a smooth experience for your guests and for sellers fulfilling orders. With these steps complete, you've set the foundation for a thoughtful, well-organized registry on Etsy.